this is the backup battery button. It shows the backup battery capacity, and we can turn on the screen and read the cautions first, then skip. Then we can see here the battery capacity 91, and we see that this button is for front lighting. Okay, we press here. Long time, 3 seconds. Okay, we can see that the lighting. This button is blue color, and we off. Also press long time, around the 3 seconds. This alarms because this machine now not turn on, haven't turned on the AC, so it alarms. And we can also turn off this sound here. We don't. This is not recommended. Okay, and now we can also turn on the AC power, turn on the grid power, and then we turn on here. Long time, press 3 seconds. Okay, now connected with the AC, we can hear the fan, cooling fans working, and the alarms go away. Okay, and we can see that here we see the battery is charging.